na constituency o de sha ase ne Asante region constituencies ni bi em say hontwo na party dey na no wo hye yeah enti the first constituency a ha eye Adanse Asokwa constituency
Adanse
Asokwa constituency
KT Hammond
yes former MP
ne ho
yes ne ho enti Adanse Asokwa o say in the Adanse Asokwa constituency the presidential vote declined significantly in the Adanse Asokwa constituency. The presidential vote declined significantly in the 2024 elections. The presidential candidate secured 14,027 votes, representing 52% in 2024, compared to 19,519 votes, representing 63% obtained by the then candidate Nana Akufo Addo in the 2020 election. Not just a museum who shame wade Adanse Asokwa the last election Nana Akufo Addo koye no onu puli 19,519 and representing 63%.
Or how much more education
but your bar 2024 no vote ni so tie about from 19,000 to 14,000. Bebe say 5,500 votes there ekoye.
Okay.
Which is representing 52% in 2024. Also, respondents attributed the decline in vote to not just a respondent in say near ma party about vote in call for more honor. One, a perceived loss of credibility on the part of the parliamentary candidate, Honorable KT Hammond.
Not just a KT Hammond, no.
Yeah.
According to Yera, Professor Iroma Kokwe, and a man for no mudin comono.
Yes.
Obisom said, dear Benti, and a man Timian Twabanwa dance as
yeah.
Almost say, Yera KT Hammond, none a new Yamaba for
no one the face of the party and cannot fade there.
The new Yamaba
or cast them crank of 40, you know. Just so Benam on day to about a big bodame, a big boss spa, a big nam, just almost yet the omope. Katie said, I don't know, young Koto.
To be cracking and him catching,
of course. Yes.
Because now the new Yam number form.
Yes. And according to Professor Michael Cray's report, Katie is a factor. And I say, concerns regarding the MP's lack of respectful engagement with constituency.
Not just a kwanya no faso ene ne manfo a odi omanimu no edi nkuta ho no kra no fo bu ema wo mo.
Yes. And the third one almost it is a poor road infrastructure and the absence of visible developmental projects in the constituency over the years.
Di kan akwan ya wo nyina ya akwanfo.
Yes.
And afei se empuntuo ma papa so de ebi emma so.
Yes.
Because women say papa ntimi nlobe.
Sir. Ntina ama omo anye. See, these were cited as major sources of voter dissatisfaction, leading to reduced enthusiasm and electoral support for the party.
Entina che se we nu yetimi gina so eka se we na ma omanfo anya pepa nkoto aba. Eno mo anya gidie kura so NPP party nem.
Inti that was
Kyei Mensa
wow nipa.
Yes.
Wow nipa.
Mayankwai.
Wow nipa.
Ebe ye bibia befa. Bibia befa. Enti Adanse Asokwa de aba besen. Baby adru sese no Swami constituency.
Enti Professor Michael Kwei report ni say in the Swami constituency, respondents identified the outgoing member of parliament, Honorable Kyei Mensa as a major contributing factor to the party's weakened electoral performance.
Not just say one more woman, Professor Iroma Kokwe, Edin Kutahu.
Yeah.
Ewo abatu nechino. Omuma committee neti asese. Party no penny and no dear anymore. Former MP now walk on.
Yes.
One no crown, just near be any idea be a cosono, and the can one my party niche in Akufo system a year money I didn't know bunning out.
Yes. It's almost say the concerns expressed included 1. Poor human relations and perceived disrespect towards party members.
The Dikai on in Nippon Kutahudi and your papa. And after was Sansu party munipa.
Mu party for
no form.
Yes. And a second one was a reported statement allegedly made by the MP describing party delegates as useless, which respondents indicated caused deep resentment among grassroots and supporters. Sir,
wotimi bie nano na okachire party for so omosu ni mfaso no eno ne de oye wo kese pa be hye omanfo mu any party man ankasem eno omankoto aba ye ro se Kyei Mensa o se Kyei Mensa bonsu report yi hye ono ane motu no de nam no ade we wo mu won kan kire party for wo ye nani su nyansafo ma me hu bi da kese eduru ba bi a otumi yade ma asa onenam a party ye tie ye ne kra na me say ye be born amane no mo permission say mo nkote NPP entino assembly or no beka no should be like final on pair any dissenting views e wo de obekam enti chese won nam so ame for so saa na hwim unsu ya so obai 1996 udi ni kabuka na bae but just say obuo pa de on fa bi maso ame for Nikaboka de ene say
da no ntia na papa yo so ame papa yo magazine o se the shop kura wo so ame wantumi ahwe eguye
papa no so wadi 72 years
na o se Kyei Mensa bonsu ni shop no wo magazine wantumi amanage agu what you say enne ono so obeso o choose president maye
ono ane magazine shop kura wantumi agu
magazine ye the bank cry kai aboso o kai shop
Wamanagu. Wentimi ahwe.
Yes.
And one catcher said President Ebeboye.
Or Kyei Mensa. Or ton boat. Or ton plier. Screwdriver. Sanyamano. Lead. No matter the word the near me.
A son walk of a
cardia box. A bang. It's here. Near the Adine tongue.
A son walk of a baby. Yes. Wentimi manage.
And I can't dollars a man want to say.
Brofu baby.
What I say? Yes, bicycle tube in an old Tróuble. Aye, tube near that bicycle. And it chain as a pedals in an and I went to me and Hamanagu. Miss Enkumamen to us or say the uncompleted Swami interchange project, which was widely viewed as a broken promise and a symbol of unfulfilled commitment to the region.
Not just say omanfo no ehu ne say Swami interchange na MPP aban entimi anya nwie no e kire say e bosha o share omanfo no
Asante for we ndi
wedi ntwo we ndi so
hu say Swami interchange ni so e connect yi ahafo no mo kofo mo ko northern region ni nyina no enti say ho no wantimi anya interchange na o haw na aho kire na e de no e da tutuem na Swami interchange enya na asem enye Swami interchange na enye asem a ono abu Kyei Mensa bonsu kwotena parliament saa o me ehun se ono no eba parliamentary worker ono is the senior most otiase chen obia amamuo de wo pese o kire obi obetumi amwo bu oman abo atiase de a wa for no abu Kyei Mensa bonsu so a untumi nyama ne yie ni constituency ade abaako pair na omo sere se wo de yewe ma na nyehwe enumpo interchange entumi anya maso amefo
enyo ono na parliament se nkomo pe new chamber anu okọ radio upon radio no, TV by TV
the reason why I see new chamber
the reason why I say Swami interchange
meanwhile he was a minister for parliamentary affairs.
Yes. Hey, no a big man.
Powerful. What you say? You the niama, you the year or the same bills near the about parliamenta. Or no, Jina Hole. O can say 2020. Now finance minister Yare, Honorable Ofori Atta Yare, or no can present a budget on behalf of the finance minister. Now budget now presenting. When that's what I interchange. You capture.
No a year free.
What you say? What you say?
Or say Kyei Mensa.
According to my Kukwes report. We no affect Swami for nko obi oti Kumasi bia hu say Swami interchange no enti no say these factors collectively generated strong dissatisfaction, contributing to the party's reduced performance both in the constituency and across Ashanti region.
Not just say anya constituency no mu ahafofo enne bebia na
nke bi oti Kumasi area bi ebi ofa ho akwa na de ebi no na traffic no kwa ha na obaban ne so. Enti anya swamefo nko ana na complain. Na emom the whole of Ashanti region. Sa swami interchange no kwa affect wo. What you say? Ha. Enti Mr. Nkum, the next constituency Michael Koe report eka ho asem no say Manhyia South constituency. Manhyia South constituency.
Manhyia.
Yeah, Manhyia South.
Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia Prempe ho.
Yes, that time on know MP ho. Yes. Into say in the Manhyia South constituency, the presidential vote margin also declined. The presidential candidate received 78% of the valid votes in the 2024 election, compared to 83% secured by Nana Akufo Addo in the 2020 election.
Not just say one more say Nana Addo danko Akufo Addo enya ohamu nchemu bebro
Otchere Mensa.
Ena Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ebaye no ebenya ohamu nchichemu eduoson ene nachi eduoson wotwe.
Yes.
Eti na chese wo hwa party no ho akono ye no na akofom ho.
Chese
na Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia Prempe we hu.
Enti mayenti or say respondents attributed this decline to 1, a perceived lack of humility and respect on the part of the then incumbent MP and the current vice presidential candidate Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe.
Na chese omususu se Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe no na num kasa.
Yes.
Awode ekire wo manfo no.
Yes.
Na enya hu anya abodwese.
Ano san ya hantan.
Eno san ya hantan.
We wa hantan na ade mu se kokoro. Yeah. Nti wo ya wo say perceived lack of humility. Na chese dia ye friend say ahombrase de ebi ni bukum.
Abo ne say de adwonso abo akoko.
What you say? Enti wo hwe na I say perceived lack of humility and respect on the part of the incumbent MP. Enti or the saying Manhyia South vote na so team MP. According to Professor Michael Koe's report na their constituency reviews no me ye ne kire say Napo ekose sa enema ni bi e Manhyia South. Yes.
Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe.
Yes.
Obey running mate.
Yes.
Ono nasem.
Yes. Say no presidential candidate in nam. Into omo mienu no mo fa adwen bom. Is that if the presidential candidate airdrop vote or vice so that's all drop it.
So asemi enti waiting na Dr. Bawumia Nansen o ka say enipa omu di nachi no maye nti o se maye hom
na mom
na che say Dr. Bawumia report no say wakan
that's ya ka say da bia ka say kiti amoso oni bi
wakan asi
me si wo bi e share Kyei Mensa moto Bawumia bag na da bia kita no e share moto mu no report ne ba ko shem
enti we no hu ye nti ano wo ka
yes
delegate ne say ma mo hwe ni pe di machi ne ho no
aside waka sa ne kwa no and tokwa bi so e koso ne say se nyame ya adom nanka nyame boa o nanka Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ba be wini a mo fa na ponko biem na bi se de ntina da bia Kyei Mensa age Bawumia bag ono so nani wo running mate no
na che say nani anso ni pantimi amfa ne nko bi
what you say
report
what you say
then away no mo mpese party for no betia
enu nti o matama show won otu o ma da bi o mo de na
wa ma party ni no anti na nipa foforo no obehya anan no ono so ba the same thing ono so
that's the point.
It is a party for no ho a afi na atu ye nyina
yefo
ma yemmo ama party for nyi o mo ho adu
enu de ye kan once ye ade we once ye kura mu ni de ye bebo ho ama na atete
atwetan
ba bi a ya ka say who say baby my grass na ye technical part no ye mfa
ho de ye
part mapa
ye ho de ye nka ho asem
ye ho ne ye nka ho asem yes ye kan de be kan we enye de masem
there be
what you say again or say the public discontent arising from Dr. Prempe's comments regarding Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, which many constituents viewed as inappropriate and disrespectful to Ghana's political heritage.
Not just say Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe da ye pa ne ho tam no. Na se mo kan say osan ye ne nsa say mo Kwame Nkrumah no eno nso akofa asem aba. It's because of what into manfo no bufuwi. Omu bizarre say abra na Kwame Nkrumah etwa tema moto we no na Matthew Poku Prempe na wo dental school and asa na wo medical school. Na wo what I say? No, sir.
It is a walk. You see, sometimes no bet me our point. Me can't tell my students leaders now. You bought demonstration near their part. This woman, the former education minister under President Rawlings. Your mama, a very Christian Amwakunyama.
Okay.
I saw a catcher and say you can be very assertive without being aggressive. I said, and say. Asembia opesa okabia no ubetimi aka wo breko a wonfa patapa ni gidigidi enka asem
menteme ho ase
yes enti se wo feel say na Akufo Addo ye adwuma mpo chen Dr. Kwame Nkrumah at least ye nyina enim say Dr. Kwame Nkrumah no wabeye bi o ana at the point se kra na ugina rally na CPP was not your contender. What I say? Ana Kwame Nkrumah njina baby nka say wa ya de achen Akufo Addo go Kwame Nkrumah wan
there be only hompo
enti say wufu e beto omudi ya jina ya tasefo ya so
yeah
enti say in our certain a part of the wufu no ye die mom
yeah
enu tina say bu betimi anya wo fa bi a na otimi say won camera ba ku say enso ya meto nsa frɛ na say frɛ lawyer so me reading tributor the money no onka and no beka offer o ma common ne yen offer de o de asam ko tunu ni mu anu aka ama ana ye offer school fees nyina na otua nso obo no odua hwe
nso wadi wakoyi wo fa bia ne ma o de second crata open
and am so wunti ni ye beka na chi asempa because you believe that we don't speak ill of the dead it is say ubegina platform so na say obeka na awo kumase na se o ka sa asem no na o ka se mo Kwame Nkrumah no o se Professor Michael Kwe report says statement alone Emma NPP lose be say 700,000 votes no one state vote no had there
yes
but we dey omodi ink akomu na che say vote ni do so because the hono omo ye ni bold omo bold ni sa na vote na tie ni do so ba
na say eniama akoso wo na no odin
what you say enti so omo ye ni bold enti next time no way ya disua de ma politicians nyina unyo opportunity in their platform so men don't get carried away by supporters egu ha omo ye the obeka no wo de be hyew
by the political atmosphere
yes Afero say, I said it under the influence of a political way. Who said, Sadan, I'm saying, I would be a sin. So, you nipa would you feel pinsuing or pinsu, said, Ben, I'm a tale. Yes, who one day. Ain't no, Kokoye, Jumama NPP, Nama, Udini, Yamamra. Would you boom now could do prepare? Yeah, na, what's it change? What's our craft for a bone we didn't turn up baby? So feel like you are going to continue. I don't question. I don't question. NPP atare. I don't share the JC. It's the the bike in a man ha. Oko country, no a battery. Oko country, no a battery. Oko the ayewo mention.
It is Sanyama way in Antina Dr. Bawumia says, "Nyame ya dum pona nkom de man which embe mu no nkom fa ne nkom." So report na me can mention say report na say key people be nyabi no be aso dey taking the decision. Na nko bi anyabi.
That's the point. What you say? Enti
aya asemo ne kuta baakofo hye baakofo motuom ana ono nko ana
ode nam
na me nkofo edi machi no me nso woni wo mo ne nam se mo mo mfiam de nka mo mo nsa wo machi e
bisa ho say Dr. Bawumia ready report wa friend Napo aka chense unia ade no odi wo mu ana
special so
on kan kire no asemi na poverty a me say o de opa mad production friend Napo ni eva ne to akoma esu yemi sa ne say makoko reporter abo ne din wate ana me say Dr. Bawumia kan kire no some perform be di na ka kire ne say ense so mo mani hu sa ki no ko bie sa ki ni ma ne pa obeba ba ye hu adwuma enti sa ki no mo fa ma no enti ene kra na ye kra na we are doing
ya bo no
o ti ase go sanka mate seat no akọ no okotena so na papa na akọji sia no enti se sia no mate seat ni so ame pa yi no so obe fa mate
ono so je
ai
na be ye
me say ade yi se na po betia na ye ya da roma na wie o ti sa asem wi anka on ti da o ti ase on ti da oh enti o say these factors cited as central to the diminished support for the party in the constituency. Enti Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe na homaso bua no mu onfama nipa. Uni se misenkum. Hwe ye na osetutu asante hene ababio na me bodi a na makoha me
haya ntoma yete ase a ye sore.
Ya sore. Oti ase. Nana our grounds chen ahemfo ni bebre. They are nana so of nana say tutu. We are politicians now taking Asante hene for granted that you do so at your own disadvantage or your own peril. Because nana odo no ka kire na Akufo Addo say Mahama Ghana for so the company ani bre le tu no. It is our so ba no o ma sa company ani bre no be kan Ghana for on beto atia o. Go sa djuma no ni so betimi anti ko na koye o kai sa hasa na
me kai pa
na koya na sade na poko no ho o fi se nko onte hwe anko be ka chense nko fo so omu ade
wate bibi
se Asante he beti asem no na ya ka ma na eden afi de o mene what you say anka asem we no anka ode hye anka ntumfo sa asem we wa bonte
wo badwom
there be but me say ya tunufo opiemu a wante
emfa
na tufanti enso de eya wo ba no tunufo no wante tufu afa yes wo hena utunufo a wante no de
ne ntoma ti bibi ko
e de ko badwom what you say etinka ye na prempe mnapo what you say uku dumanjia ye friend na napoku what you say eno ne Napo no ti na Napo ku de ke yatunufo wodem a tinkanse ye de sa de mpo ba bonten beka but if na fe ba bia dru no ye na se tutu opem so hwa one take that opportunity that they are san fan kan oja wa no atete
on se wo san so ye panyini se bibi sa akra no kra wan hwe akiro bi obi ko gina ba bia aka se bia nana
ya se ba shabone
wan hye na shabone eti wo kan mo obi ahunu se waka akire no tene de hye no woni natu kasa akire no
anu di obi antin ko blemi manhia anase na Asante hene se Napo yanka na ho asem
yes
me de me believe say answer na be kasa asem da de no ne akampo akire ne dada but tufu antie
ene o nwoma to kupo
oh si atwi wani mo dem no wantie a na fe de wapie ana ode be share ho ma no na sa da de na akoyi adwini so se ayi ode say party avata nkruma egu ho a uyi kenten gu ho a no afa political attire se na je so de na kan nyina wa afa anya adwuma on say abepi wo makokwe report kan da de na no na makokwe akacha wa ha o ti ase
okay
ezi yanko na this is the fourth constituency yemfa the last one
we yedi kan aye asokwa
ya
danse asokwa ya ye menhia ene ya san ye ose mensa bonso swame
we Fomena constituency also in the Fomena constituency the party experienced a significant decline in the presidential vote in the 2024 elections. In the 2020 election, the then candidate Nana Akufo Addo secured 75% of the votes. However, in 2024, the presidential candidate Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia obtained 64%, reflecting a considerable drop in electoral support.
Na chese wo hwe Formina constituency nso aniama ekoso ekire se na nado danko Akufo Addo mpen so no onya ohamu nchemu eduoson enum ena Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia benya eduasia enan na chese wabete so aba form say hu
11%
decrease na chese eniama bi kokoso ho no mo a anyoma afo ne de anju omoboso eti ema wo man koto aba no kra ma party no ena ma ba ne say formina
a traditional MPP seat. Formina, the former MP, Abubon Sranum, you know, could be what I say. It was a respondent identified several key factors contributing to this decline. One, persistent disunity among constituency leadership, which negatively affected coordination, campaign mobilization, and grassroots engagement.
Na chese eniama ahodo a omanfo ho no ekachire committee no anu nti omu gina so omanto aba ne se de kan no empapamu ewo party no etiri leadership no ebae afei eno na chi no obuo mapa ya na esese de ma omanfo ewo form so no ne emfa ma wo mo
ana campaign mobilization and eso mo ye no so what is Asante region campaign niam e de kwae no makokwe report catch us say chema untumi afanko
oje she ho
enti be de na affect for benafo
na se wan kasa so makokwe report de di kan a wo be sha ase no wa wunu akuma miracles aboaje sika ya de ma ni wan fanko
yes communication sika ono so de
wan fanko eti ye den de ye adwuma e wo fomena
oh uti baby na ye election na se politics ni nipa bi nti ase de edi be ma wo soro ho no se wo ye ba gina se wo be selfish na wan fa nsi for mo e affect ase ho for ye koye campaign ye se Asante region 47 constituencies musikeni Kwabena Agyarko wo de abwasa ni sirem 47 constituencies omo be ye den no ma ye campaign Omo beye den no my campaign.
It is a de suba we kwaso tena party ni mo.
Yes.
Party ni be dan fa ne tampo afra.
What you say?
Senti na manfo bi agi kuntu ku be twa party ni wo hia. Wo mu hyem kunde. Wo bi abegbo awure. Wo mboa ye be yituma national.
Ye beti mu kra one time. O say the more treatment and internal conflict involving the sitting member of parliament Honorable Andrew Amoakwesiama in 2020 which led him to contest and win the seats as independent candidate.
Not just say, Mpapamuno krane shase from 2020.
Yes.
I am my yewra Andrew Amwako. Esiama ne bufu ya. Afi wo hwe party no kra to baby so won wankasa bekọ kwansen ko.
Say 2016 no on o win be MP for Formena on MPP ticket. And the time na bekọ 2020 election no na oye NPP MP for Formena. Ana onne ne chairman Kwesinti numunya issue bi no so kofa different candidates by say omne ne be contest. Also, he doesn't fear competition. Now, the mom, I feel the now say, I say, chairman to be chassis, yes, we chassis, your bonubuga, and I'm cofa, album be by. In terms of no one dress, my family say, no way. Album with the meaning to. That's how we pan the Bayer election, they are make independent. Yes, as a son or mobile, and no soon him to obey. What I say, I'm no co independent, but now say, now for men of 4 Donald, no more pen as a Muntino, or co independent in the year 2020 and we win
sabre na wo be ko independent na Ado danko Akufo Addo koka se ontimi independent candidate
bi anya o state wa ha se makokwe na ngasa okoye report no ono so ka more treatment ne ho but oye bold so otimi trust asem we ento o state say the more treatment and the internal conflict involving the sitting member of parliament Honorable Andrew Amoakwesiama
not just said ye tie ankofo nan so ye empatem ho no
obekai say ye beko 2024 election na MPP fo bi MPs bi so mbeko independent Honorable Mamle Morrison no ma na omakofafa form no what is say MPP fo na NDC for the court to say Speaker ka say body club seats ni vacant.
Yes.
Uni ba be free. Free honorable Agbokrasi ama ho. Say 2020 no. Na Professor Aaron Michael Koya na ye kan report ono na no ye speaker of parliament.
Akom ni nkyeremu.
Ono na no ye speaker of parliament. Ana honorable Agbokrasi ama say obeko independent. Oko file ye no mo say wako independent dia yes wa cross carpet. What you say? Ye na nam say wa cross carpet. Wa cross carpet so de na just wonya NPP ni bi. It declare honorable Siama seat vacant so to internal parliament as MPP MP. Hey, until the honorable Abamba ben ye no. Na it was just a president MPP for Angasa set it to her. Na me who the hypocrisy of a tenny see almost no there. No way it cannot be.
Yeah, they go supreme.
At that time, John Wadu as general secretary wrote to speaker said on declare honorable Siama seat vacant. Then Nana to Fomena. I catch him say more be and to Abama honorable Siama because he as a president cannot win candidate. Me build the point to be back.
Build the back. Me nyabo.
And so Akufo Addo call her no call cancer ansem no. Say on to me independent nya adwuma no. Fomena fo antie no. Ana mo to Abama independent. Na nam say Nyankopon o hira wo no wo hira wo nti no. Yakoto aba 2020 wie ye na e ba parliament no. Na NPP seat 169 no aswati aba 137. Na NDC nso nya 137. Yankosha nipa odan temu no ye honorable Agbokrasi ama no wapie parliament ya wo bai. Omo se na okwan, omo se wo wini. Wo wini say was independent. Hey, asamba na si. Ye na esi antimi independent nya adwuma. Ana honorable Agbokrasi ama akọ wini. Ana that day no. Nipa na attending the seat say what declare the vacant no Professor Aaron Michael Koya ya say the number say obedi speaker nti ye say to abama no
yankwoto man
yes eti wo hwe una ya ono abo Agbokrasi ama anka abeto abama sa papa no asan be declare seat vacant bi
and obi to no nwom bisa say wa nka ka obeye
den what you say enti ono Agbokrasi ama de nyame hye di na chi no so ti Ghana na otie mi a tap into the blessings of ono Agbokrasi ama because he shared that so no nipa ntimi nsesa enti that day no ye hia na ma na to Abama speaker ye say hia na ma na be kan ye ho ma majority o se me ma it took one person honorable Ken Ofori Agyapong to call honorable Asiama say yes serew mengu ye ni mu ase wamba mu a ne me say
bedding
we wani a president for wonwum bi o say oh yi nani ana say oh yi nani ana say so no bo Agbokrasi ama yi nani sei ene ma say ama NPP for enti so no abokopa na che no say me sabo party no kura mesa amba bie ma be join ne mo a e parliament ade ba ko na mpesa mo ye me constituency chairman na ote for me na ho no kwesi enti die wadi mani se mprefa me join ne mo a age se mu ginedi ana so resign
mo fa mo nsan kwaka no
ana no abokan so o ende nye den ma me frɛ no ofrɛ no abu ayi chairman kwesi enti so kwa kwesi this hey chairman me didi hu kakra me resign because makwa kwaji loan o
resign cry e be che no
sa honorable Ken says can me tue bi ama then honorable Ken paid him to resign on the condition that ebema honorable Asiama abeka 137
na MPP ababenya majority.
And that is the reason why MPP had majority in the year 2020.
Na mebo mami musa wasem sabre no wo fa ose Kyei Mensa bonsu no oni ho
me say wo ye nani su nyansafo ama sa na ma we nyina re mfa ne ho ontumi nye you see honorable Kyei Mensa couldn't have even convinced honorable Asiama looking at how omo more treating no internal report na me de say my kokwe report no stating is the more treatment
anu ono aka ho
they more treated the man honorable Asiama na ni e den internal me say ni hira na di na chi no everybody should tap into it. Ye na bi fi parliament 2020 o. MPP for catch and see me no near Jumo. But as I speak to you, that day na yan to Abama Michael Okwe Ameye MP no. That day na
speaker no.
That Ameye speaker no. That day na Honorable Asiama became the second deputy speaker of parliament. This is the doing of the Lord. And Honorable Asiama yes send the gown as second deputy speaker no. No show anyone say you people meant it for evil, but the God meant it for good. But show me no catch that one. Nipa ya to no to twene yesi ya boa dansifo no ato atwene no afedo ono abe the chief cornerstone no wabe ye twe asebo
chichi
what you say enti Honorable Asiama ebe ye second deputy speaker of parliament ni yaji na di oni esi empe no ono no san be boa MPP ateni majority o and as I speak to you ono abiem na the night parliament ya san ye no second deputy Speaker of Parliament. We in Israel then. It's within 2 times as Deputy Speaker of Parliament. Sasa yes yentini ni nyejuma.
Eti not just a report, you know. A kroje be what part.
Me say report ni a narrative bi BSc ye. Bi BSc ye. Ewom. Na mosi adie we man kama nkofo nte yes enjai party chairman bi no mo ne nam constituency emphasize this affection no and nam nensan party no going into 2028 election ye be do 2028 election no na ya diagnose obi ayare ne ya bo obi apane do here infusion ye be man infusion do here operation ye be no operation do here injection ye be man injection che say ye be sa obi ayare ma 2028 no party no be ye clean ne ya ko election no. What you say? Obia ne simu aboto kronso ne na po e dentist e be na kotu ne se. Ye ben se obia yare am obia ho ato. What you say? Enti o say these issues collectively resulted in disaffection among party members and sympathizers, and significant parties reduced electoral performance in their constituency.
Na chese niema ya bobo bosu nyina no ne ma di ba.
For me na de ne de Osha Odo MPP as we speak or ye NPP MP
na Odo MPP na nso so no eye bibi na ma Odo no etimi eye yi and why and triggers Addo no e de ba
Honorable
Kennedy Agyapong
and until I'm sure
there we go
again Honorable Kennedy Agyapong mu ba ye diama party ni bia no unso obi unity no oba e no Kennedy Agyapong or sacrificing a life or sacrificing resources or sacrificing a bibia enti anyam nwanwa kra say metete say Honorable Andiasia makra no oye connected tete wo dey say obetimi ayi nanim oba bi ba me say aba no say ye tete Honorable Asia ma no oto na aba bo so ato ama Honorable Kennedy Agyapong
usi ni
so onim de Honorable Kentimi ye onim de otimi ye and one no onimnimu prefer say nipa obetimi abia very comfortable with him as the presidential candidate and for that matter president of the Republic of Ghana on denigrating on for any between form on the constituency no e Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Honorable Asiama nim Bawumia mo ne mom de year this time ni nyina he knows it into the Mr. Nkum ya the report ni be.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.